Hello guys, let's talk on blood. Everybody talks about blood. My blood is low, my blood pressure is high, my blood report is abnormal. But do you actually know what blood is? Blood is much more than just a red color liquid. In adults, the body contains 5 to 6 liters of blood. It has four major components. First one is red blood cell, that is RBC. They mainly carry oxygen to different parts of your body. Second, white blood cell or WBC. They help your body fight against infection. Third one is platelet and they help your blood to clot and control bleeding. And fourth one is plasma. This is the liquid part of the blood that carries nutrients, hormones, protein, electrolyte and waste products. So the next time someone says blood, remember it's actually whole transportation and defense system working inside your body 24/7. Follow for more simple health and nursing facts.